for a fast, easy, and hassle-free way to set up a WordPress website? With EasyWP, you can start publishing in minutes. Here's how. To set up your free month of EasyWP Managed WordPress Hosting, just choose a domain name for your new website. If you already have a domain name with Namecheap, simply select it from the drop-down list here. Or you can create a free EasyWP domain to use as long as you like. You can always change it to a different one later. To enhance your site with features like e-commerce, feel free to add one of these popular plugins. We'll take care of the installation. And now your hosting account is set up. Once you're happy with everything, EasyWP gets to work installing WordPress. In a flash, you'll see a notification that your website is live. Now you can browse your EasyWP dashboard for essential details about your new WordPress website. It's also the place to add a secure SSL certificate. Don't forget that performing backups keeps your website safe, while accessing your files or managing your website database is as easy as 1, 2, 3. But most importantly, launch your WordPress dashboard to begin building your site. That's it! With EasyWP's Quick Start Wizard, you've created a brand new WordPress website in under 2 minutes. Enjoy a month of blazingly fast managed WordPress hosting from EasyWP for free. You can extend your subscription or cancel it at any time. Because with EasyWP, we keep it simple so you can enjoy WordPress in seconds. Create your website today.